welcome back. In the previous clip we started getting a bit dirty with some scripts, and in this video we're going to continue. So essentially what we've gone ahead and done now is we've created a secondary script to actually manage the speed for which is being applied to the character, and made some minor adjustments to the actual camera location or the mount location. So let's show you what we've got here. We've got the speed controller, which has a variable to take the input for the speed within the editor. We're grabbing the actual animator component, and then in there we assign the actual speed. So it's a very simple script. And so we've assigned that script to the character itself. So let's go ahead and select Jason. And here we have the speed going as 3. And if we go ahead and increase that, you see the character goes into a sprint. And then if we slow that down, the camera gets adjusted, and also the the character goes into its usual zombie walk. So there's the actual character there, and I'll go ahead again and increase that value for the speed. Get faster there. And there's a character running off into the distance. And within this view, within the game view, we're actually getting a real-time understanding as to what's going on. So that's it for this lesson, and we go ahead and pick things up in the next video. Thanks for watching.